Meaning of emo.
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 Emo. Emo is a subculture that originated in the punk and hardcore music scenes of the 1980s. It is characterized by emotional expression, including introspective lyrics, fashion choices such as skinny jeans and band t-shirts, and distinctive hairstyles. Emo culture often revolves around themes of heartbreak, depression, and self-expression, with many adherents using artistic outlets such as music, poetry, or visual art to explore and communicate their feelings. Some people view emo culture as a form of angsty or melodramatic teenage rebellion, while others see it as a legitimate artistic and emotional movement.